So there are a lot of features in Mana that I would say helps everyone in the service. So I think it has been a lifesaver for us.
One of the biggest benefits of using Mana, I would say, is that the documentation has become more purposeful, more structured, more organized, and more meaningful, I would say.
Documentation was one of the biggest stress. We don't normally have time to do the documentation. Our first priority obviously is the children, but documentation is also a very big part of the children's learning and all that, because we have to showcase what the children are learning, but it's very hard to have the time.
Unfortunately, the industry has been designed in a way that we do have to spend a lot of time in documenting the progress in the reports and observations for the children.
Basically, we make posts and we send them out to the parents with the photos of the children, what they're doing. One of my colleagues was using Mana to help support, essentially write out the post. It was still her thinking, her ideas, but it helped her just format everything in a nice way, make it look very presentable.
Now we are writing with Mana. We are taking like less time, less than 5 minutes. We just write an observation, and it is helping parents also to see what their child is learning and what the next thing will be doing for their child.
So now there is less time going in documentation, and there is more time for them to engage with the children and to see the learning that's happening so that they can document it.
We are able to spend more quality time with the children, spending more time with them, and then actually spending time where the learning is happening, and then we are able to transfer that learning into documentation.
The parents have found that the learning stories are much more engaging. I think Mana has given that to us. Yeah.
We do a lot of parent-teacher interviews during the year, and parents actually mention that whatever you are doing is working for us because we really enjoy the posts that you are putting, the observation and the level of communication that you are putting, and this was all because educators had the access to Mana.
The reaction from the families has been amazing because the documentation is more professional now.
We have a lot of educators, myself being English as a second language, so it was very hard to write a good learning story with proper grammar, and that really helped us. Mana really helped us.
Mana has been a lifesaver for our team, especially for the team who are coming with the English as a second language and they don't have that confidence to approach when they make mistakes. And Mana has actually helped everyone at every level in our service to go through every level of observation and to understand where to next, because that's what the children need. They are growing every day, and every day we need to know where to next.
Oh well, I am a born teacher. We are a family of teachers. I feel a connection when I'm around the children. I become a child myself. As a human being, no matter how experienced you are, sometimes you feel like you need some help, you need some support. Mana is there to support you for that.
When they started using Mana more, they got more confident in their personal life as well, because then they were confident to use other apps and to go on social media and to use social media or texting or putting up social posts. So I think that Mana actually brought the confidence to write or to learn that what we are doing in the service and how to actually put it in words that are inclusive for everyone to understand in the community. Now everyone is very confident, and I think everyone is very reliant on Mana. We don't know what we're going to do if we didn't have Mana.